Hey everyone, if you want to use ElevenReader on your computer instead of your phone, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ElevenReader on a PC, sign in, upload your documents, and start listening with AI voices. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC and go to the ElevenReader website. For the best experience, make sure you're using an up-to-date browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another modern browser. Once the website loads, click the Sign In button and log in with your account. If you haven't created an account yet, choose the Sign Up option and complete the registration process. After signing in, open an existing document from your library or upload a new one from your computer. Depending on the current version of ElevenReader, you can add supported files such as PDFs, EPUBs, or other compatible document formats. Open the document you want to read, then click the Play button. ElevenReader will begin reading the content aloud using an AI-generated voice. Use the playback controls to pause, resume, skip through sections, adjust the reading speed, or switch to another available AI voice. So these settings help you create a listening experience that works best for you. All of your uploaded documents and saved content are usually available from your library whenever you sign in on the same account. This makes it easy to continue reading across different devices, and that's how you can use ElevenReader on your PC. I mean, whether you're reading books, articles, or study materials, the desktop version makes it easy to enjoy AI-powered narration on a larger screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.